Are you looking for a sewing subscription box for garment making? Well, I have the one for you. Hey everyone, it's Megan with Alder and Nance, and today I am sharing my ThreadCrate sewing subscription box for the month of May. Now, I'm going to go ahead and say I am not being sponsored by ThreadCrate. They barely know who I am, because the only reason why they do know who I am is because I have messaged them a couple of times through Instagram in regards to the box and things like that. Otherwise, they have no idea who I am. They're not paying me to make this video. This is my own thoughts and opinions on the subscription box for the month of May. Now, I have received a couple in the past in which they will be linked down below and also up here in the little iCards, so you can go back and see a couple of the other months that I have reviewed their boxes, and we'll go from there. Now, what is ThreadCrate? ThreadCrate is a monthly subscription box that's right at $59.50 for each month for you to receive the big box of the women's crate. Now, she has opened it up to mini crates, men's crates, kids crates, and things like that, and you can add on a mini crate onto this. I have not at this time, but I do plan on adding on both a men's and a kids crate mini into this. Now, when you do that, you can go ahead and do each of the big crates for it, but you're going to receive a lot of the same notions that you receive in your original subscription box. Now, I have subscribed for 3 months at a time, and I've got this box and one more box coming up, and I'll be subscribing because I really like this. It pushes me past my comfort zone whenever it comes to sewing. Now, this month we did not receive the pamphlet inside of our box telling us what everything is inside of the box, and that was perfectly fine with me because I actually like saving the paper and things like that. But she did include this right here where you can scan the QR code and be able to tell what everything is. I have gone ahead and taken a couple of notes on what is inside my box, so I can tell you a little bit more about them, and we can go from there. But I will link a little video right here where you can see what everything is on the website. Now, I'll cut it off a little bit beforehand because there is some important information for subscribers on there, and it includes a discount code and also our code for our pattern this month. Now, the first thing that I received in this box is actually not the first thing. It was in the very bottom of the box, but I wanted to go ahead and share with you the fabric that we received, which is, and I believe I am saying this right, it is a rayon challis, and rayon is a natural fiber, and that is something that I really want to add into my closet system for my basic wardrobe that I am trying to build right now. And I did go ahead and choose the black. If you see some other reviews and you're seeing them having the floral print, the colors that were available this month were not part of my color palette for my closet system or my basic wardrobe. So I did go ahead and choose the black. It's extremely soft, and it is 100% rayon. It's not a blend with any synthetic or anything like that. It's extremely lightweight. And since we are making a dress this month with the Be Bold pattern from Ellie and Mac, in which we did go ahead and receive our printed pattern, but with the QR code that we're able to scan, we can go ahead and download our pattern and be able to print it off if we need to. One other thing that we received is this extremely cute, and I love the color of this, pin cushion that is actually magnetic. So all of these stay in here with a magnet and they're not going to fall out. I do love this blue color. One thing that we get in every box is a fabric swatch card. So if we don't use our fabric immediately, we can go ahead and just take a little piece right here and be able to add the information. Now, I'm not using these because I am using the fabric pretty quickly after I receive it, and I'll be using this for my fabric stash. And every month we do receive this little pouch that has our thread, needle, and a couple of other little notions sometimes. And one of the things that we received is this cardboard pen, and I don't believe it's a pen for marking on your patterns or on your fabric that's going to be heat erasable, but I do like the pen. Let's test it out real quick. Yes, it's just a black pen, and it's got a pretty good click sound to it, so I like it. And once again, we did get our needle, and I did receive it this month. Last month, I did not actually have my needle inside of this, which it's perfectly fine. I've got plenty of needles here. And to go with the pattern this month, I did receive my black Gutermann thread. And one of the things that was in my box that I absolutely adored is this little rose gold zipper pull. I hope you're able to see that. So it's really cute. I'm probably going to add it to a purse, or I'm going to add it onto a keychain for my keys. But this is extremely cute, and I love the rose gold. Rose gold is my favorite color metal, even though I don't wear rose gold jewelry. So that was everything that was in our little pouch this month. And another thing that we did receive is the Lucky Penny from Sally Tomato for a little side project for us to work on. And I did receive this cork fabric. And I'm not a real big fan of this color, but I believe everyone received the exact same color, and also the notions for it, which are these bronze notions, clasp and things like that to actually close the wallet. And the last thing that I received is this Sew Creative Planner, which has monthly, several pages for monthly, today's task, a fabric collection, which I like that too, but I like the little fabric swatch cards a little bit better than putting them inside a little book like this. Then you have a weekly planner, a project planner, some sewing shopping list pages, a page for inspiration, pattern wish list, ideas, favorite makes, and then some croquets for actually drawing up your ideas. And they have both a front for a male, front for a heavier set male, female, and some note pages. So it's a pretty good little planner, and I really like it, and I appreciate receiving it this month. Now, I've seen in other videos where they receive the elastic that you need for this pattern. I've seen other reviews so far where they have received the elastic that you need for this pattern. I didn't have it in this box. It's perfectly fine. I've got plenty of elastic in my office, so I'll be making up the pattern, and that will be the next video. So if you like the ThreadCrate, make sure you go down into the description below and head over to ThreadCrate. I don't receive any kickback or anything like that for referring you over to them. I really like ThreadCrate, and I like the company. I like Cassandra. She's a really wonderful woman, and this is a Black-owned business, so it's a really good thing. So make sure you head down below and subscribe to your own ThreadCrate box and join me in making the patterns. Alright, well, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit like, and leave a comment down below. Tell me what you liked about the box too, and have a wonderful day.